Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve exercise 4.2 number 2 from Dove book. So the question is determine the node voltages VA and VB for the circuit of figure this one. So this is the figure here and we are asked to find out VA and VB. Okay, let's do exactly that. We are asked to use the node voltages. So we need to assume the direction of the current for the KCL at node A and KCL at node B. So maybe let's just assume the direction of the current here is going down. This is going down. I just follow the arrow here. And then for this one going to the right, and for this one is going down, and for this one is going up. I just follow the arrow. And we have our reference node here, which is our ground. So the voltage here will be 0. Okay. Now let's start by using KCL at node A. So let's do that. KCL at node A. KCL said that the sum of the currents that go in is equal to the sum of the current that goes out. So we will have this formula here. And then let's see at node A. I think all the currents is going out. So we just put 0 as the current that goes in. So we'll have 0 here. But then this current is going out, which is 3 ampere. So we'll have 3 and then plus this current here, which is VA minus VB divided by 2. And then another current is here, which is VA minus 0, which is VA divided by 4. So we'll have VA divided by 4. Now we can multiply both sides by 4 to get rid of the denominator. So we will have on the left hand side still 0. And then 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. And 2 and 4 will cancel into 2. So we will have 2 VA minus 2 VB here, and then 4 and 4 will cancel each other, so I will have VA. Okay, now let's simplify this equation. We will have 3 VA from this one and this one, and then minus 2 VB from this one, and then let's move this 12 to the left hand side, so I will have minus 12. I think nothing that we can do from here. Let's save this as equation number 1. Okay, and now we can do another KCL, but this time at node B. So let's do KCL at node B. KCL said that the sum of the currents that goes in will equal to the sum of the currents that goes out. There is only one current here. Oh, I think 2 currents that goes in, this one and this one. So for this one, we will have VA minus VB divided by 2. And then for this one, I will have 4. So we'll have plus 4. And that will equal to VB here minus 0, which is VB divided by 3. Okay. Now let's multiply both sides here by 6. So on the left hand side, we will have 3 VA minus 3 VB, and then plus 24. And on the right hand side, we will have 2 VB. Okay, maybe let's simplify this one. 3 VA, and then minus 5 VB here will equal to minus 24. Okay. And let's save this here as equation number 2. So we have this as our first equation, and this is our second equation. Okay, this is a simple linear equation that we can solve using substitution or elimination. So let's do exactly that. Okay, so far we have these 2 equations from doing KCL at node A and KCL at node B. So I want to do elimination by eliminating this 3 VA because luckily we have this the same coefficient. So we can subtract this, right? Let's subtract this, and so we will have minus 2 plus 5. That should be 3 VB. Okay, and then minus 12 plus 24. That should be 12. And therefore, our VB here will be 12 divided by 3. That should be 4 volt. Okay, and I think we got our first answer here, which is VB is 4 volt. I think I did not make any mistakes because it is exactly the same as this answer here that is given by the problem. But then we need to find out VA. Just substitute this one into one of this. So we will have 3 VA minus 5 VB, but VB is 4, so let's just use that, is equal to minus 24. So we will have 3 VA minus 20 is equal to minus 24, or 3 VA is just minus 24 plus 20, that should be minus 4. And so we will have VA is equal to minus 4 divided by 3. And the unit here is volt. And I think this is the second answer that we are looking for, which is VA. So here is VA, and then here is VB, and that is exactly the same as the answer given by. So I think I did not make any mistakes in my calculation. That's all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.